Hello everybody, Matt Henry with Graco's Lubrication Equipment Division. I'm joined by John Holman, an engineer with our division. The purpose of this video is to discuss the G5 pump and how it compares to the G3 pump. What's the purpose of the G5?
Overall, the G5 pump is basically the same pump as the G3. It has quite a few similarities, but its differences are, first off, it has 5 pump elements. It was developed for quintuplex fracking applications, for pump-to-point applications.
Tell me the similarities between the G5 and the G3.
Well, the G5 and the G3 use the same motor, the same reservoir, same materials, same base components, and same controllers and wiring harnesses as the G3. It's very much a similar product line in the G3. Try to utilize as many of the similar components as possible going forward. They're even built on the same manufacturing line as the G3 pumps.
So the people that have been building these for a long time, they have a lot of experience and they can build the G5 the same way.
Yep.
So I see a pump element here, John. I'm assuming that the pump elements between the G5 and the G3, they're the same pump element.
Yes, the G5 and the G3 use the same pump element. The G5 does has a slightly lower output volume because we did a cam change on that just to get the output volumes correct.
Does that mean that the G5 has a slightly less working pressure too?
Yes, it does. It has a working pressure of 4,000 psi, where the G3 has a working pressure of 5,100 psi.
Well, it's a lot of things that are the same. Tell me what is different between the G5 and the G3.
So some of the differences between the G5 and the G3 include the power input options. So we added power input for the G5 that has, in this upper location, that allows the cable to be routed in a vertical orientation as it comes out. In some applications where they are limited in space, they want the cable to come down directly into it. And in the normal location that is on the G3, it still comes down at the same angle. The G5 is available as a no controller option and a pro controller option, where the G3 has the no controller, pro, and max options.
And SP options too.
That's true.
Good, and I see something obvious too, where when you buy a G3 from the factory, it comes with one pump element right over here, and you could put a maximum of 3 pump elements. That's what we call it, the G3. And I'm assuming that all G5s from the factory come with 5 pump elements?
Yep, the G5 comes with 5 pump elements installed.
Good. But, and maybe it's not going to be that common of an issue, but if you want to take one of the pump elements out, one or more, you could take them out and put a plug in too.
Yep, it uses the same plugs as the G3 as those. It also uses the same pump volume output spacers as the G3s. We call them the shim kits.
Good. Well, it makes it easier for the distributors to stock only one part number.
Correct.
Well, it sounds like then, in summary, the G5 compared to the G3, it's virtually the same pump.
Yes, so customers that are very familiar with the G3 or even somewhat familiar with the G3 are going to be comfortable with the G5. It has the same programming options and so many similarities to the G3. It's just going to be growth to our product line.
Good. Well, that's going to be reassuring to our people who know the G3.